Hi, this is Les Perrier, and today we're going to be looking at how to find out information on nursing homes. Now, that's a very difficult thing whenever you have to put a loved one into a nursing home. How do you know which nursing home would be a good place to put your loved one? Well, today we're going to show you one way that you can use a tool that every state has in order to find out nursing home ratings. That's the Maple Heights Nursing Home right behind me. And we'll be taking a look at the state ratings on Maple Heights Nursing Home as well as others in North Carolina. I live in North Carolina, and so this is the database in which we can get information about different nursing homes. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do to access the database is to type in ncdhhs.gov. ncdhhs.gov. And that'll get you to where you need to go. So what you can do is you can go up here and you can do a search. So we're going to go in and we're going to do a search for nursing home ratings. And now we're going to hit the search button, and then it will give us some things that have to do with that. And the very top one is the one we want, facility inspections. And so now we can go to the page that is for facility inspections, ratings, penalties, and licensure actions. And you see all the different things that you can have access to. And so what we're going to do is we want to search for a facility. We can search for it by county, or we can search for it by city if you want to look at all of them in your city. So if you have a facility name that you want to look at, you can type that in. Now I'm going to look at the county. So we can select a county. There are 100 counties in North Carolina, and the county that I'm going to select is the county for Person County. That's where I live. So we're going to do the search by county, and then it's going to show us all the different nursing homes that are in this county. And notice to the left, it has stars. Now, the stars are kind of the rating system about what you can get, and you show the scores of the stars to the right-hand side. You can get up to 4 stars, and then it shows the address, the name of the nursing home, the address, and so we can click on that and it'll give us the address and how many beds they have in there. And then if you look there, it has a statement of deficiency. So you can go down and you can see how their ratings have increased or decreased. So what we're looking at is the issue date of July, and then this is an annual inspection on this facility. So now if we look at the worksheet, this will show us more detail. It'll show us that it's rated 3, and there are a total of 4 stars, which are 100 points or greater. And then we can come down to the star rating, and it will show us the inspections and things like that, and the statement of deficiency with the plan of correction. So on 610, there was some sort of a complaint, and it talks about the findings were about a bedroom problem. There was a section of the fall policy that was dated, which was included additional measures. All falls were required, a monitoring of visually So they were having a problem apparently with the fall of a resident. This is kind of what it looks like. So we can go up here to the one above it and notice it's got the same inspection date, and then it's got the action plan for what they're going to do. The fall policy is going to be reviewed with the staff, and they're going to monitor the bed monitors when needed and reiterate the importance of documentation of using the fall occurrence. So apparently there was a fall in this facility, and there was a complaint made, and the health department had somebody to come out and to take a look and to report their findings, and then it's up to the facility to come up with an action plan in order to fix that. So now we can go back. We can see the rest of the facilities. Let's take a look at Maple Heights. Maple Heights has a total of 34 beds. And once again, we can take a look and see what is going on there. So on August the 11th, 2021, they had a complaint, and I'm taking a look. Oh, there was an order written for physical therapy with a prosthetic on the right lower leg, and there must have been some sort of an issue with that. It gives a lot of detail, but I'm going through it so fast I can't really keep up with it. But anyway, you have a statement of deficiency with the plan of correction. So let's see what the plan of correction says. And so on the right-hand side, it tells us what the plan of correction was. So you can look at individual facilities and see what their rating is and see what the issues that they've had in the past have been. And there are penalties that are issued by the state according to some things that have happened. You can see here there's a $2,000 penalty, a $4,000 penalty, $2,000 penalty, $4,000, and $2,000. And the current status was there was a settlement agreement, so that has been resolved. Let me just say this: no nursing home is perfect, and there are going to be some sort of issues. Let's take a look at a city. So we're going to look at Raleigh, North Carolina, and we're going to search by the city. Now, there are a lot more nursing homes in Raleigh than there are in Person County. But if you notice that here's one with 1 star, and here's one with 4 stars. There are a couple that are really good. You see this one here, this one has 0 stars, so that's probably not one that you would want to consider. There's one with 1 star and all the different ratings on all the different facilities. While you're considering which facility to place your loved one in, this database is a good place to go and to get additional information.